In this video, I'm going to show you how creating a new notebook and adding sources to the notebook that you have created. So as usual, accessing NotebookLM, you have to go to notebooklm.google.com, and once you're here, you can see the platform just like that. You can see my notebooks that I have created and featured notebooks from other people that I have created as well. If you want to create your own notebook, you can come back to all, and then you can be able to come over here. This is create new. So once you click, you should be able to create new notebook. Now, in creating new notebook, you have to add in sources. So sources could come from web search, or you can use the web, or you can use the Google Drive if you have some sources from your Google Drive, or you can do fast or deep research if you are interested in any of them. So depending, you can just type in a topic, click on search, and then what it has gathered will now serve as your source. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files also from your system. This could be a PDF, images, docs, audio, or any other thing that you have. You can drag and drop it, and it's going to serve as your source, which you can chat with and even further create other things directly. That means you can upload files, you can upload websites, links to serve as sources. You can even upload multiple websites, provided you separated them with a comma, or you can upload YouTube videos link. Okay, it is just going to directly import that and transcribe the video and put it up as a source. And then again, you can use your drive, or you can just directly on your own copy some text and paste it in here to serve as your source. Now, the good part of sources is that when you search, for example, we can see the future of AI in Nigerian education system, we can make it a simple search and just go ahead and click on OK. This is now going to review the website and do a quick search and then come up with a lot of sources, references that are going to serve as your source, just like so. You can see it has added these sources and 7 more other sources. So you can click to see more, or you can click to import them. We can view them also if you're interested. So let's say we can click to import, and you can see all the sources that it has gathered. Okay, all of them, and it's going to give you a quick summary based on the sources that it has in here. It's going to generate a quick summary. Now you can add more sources if you're interested. You can just click on add sources, and then again you can add from uploaded files. For example, if you have any documents that you want to upload, for example, let's say we are here, courses, just add, and then it's going to serve as a source. Okay, so you can see the other small quick summary that it has generated. Even though this has nothing to do with this, but I can always make reference as a source. If we want to add more, we can always come over here. We can add websites. Like I said, these are the rules for websites. Okay, to add multiple URLs, separate them with a space or a new line. So that is it. You can add as many as you can, and paid articles are not supported. So if you see that some sources are not captured, probably they are behind paid walls, just like this one. It's not added, possibly it's on that paid wall. So sources are easy to add. You can add anything, even from your Google Drive. Once you have the account, you are logging in, connected to the drive, you should be able to access any folder or files and then you can bring them in as sources, or you can just paste in some copy text from somewhere and it's still going to serve as your sources. Okay, so by then you can see now that we have created a notebook called the AI and the Future of Nigeria. So this basically is how to create a notebook in NotebookLM. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.